So what I'm hopefully going to do is give you a little walk around my Jeep. We're here at the American Military Cemetery, and that's my pride and joy. I put 2 additional lights on the back here for the bustle rack. There we go. Pedestal mount with a 30 cal. Not a real one, sadly, in the UK. There we go. There's me. Right. So I changed the headlights. You can probably see just there. So the headlights have got H4 bulbs in, so I can just change the bulb and not the actual sealed beam unit. And I put an indicator just in there, coloured the lens, and we rewired it. And likewise, if I go around the back, I can show you just under here that that's got an indicator on it. We coloured the lens again and did that. And then these lights here get taken off from a little towing socket that's underneath. And here, in fact, I can move that and show you. There's the towing socket. Okay. So this is the American Military Cemetery. There we go. Brookwood American Military Cemetery. We've got lots of nationalities here. And it's a beautiful place. Probably hear the railway's not too far away. And my Jeep in the sun.